Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can send USDT from Tonkeeper to Bitget. So the first step you need to do is to open Tonkeeper. So once you are in Tonkeeper, you need to log in into your Tonkeeper account. So once you complete the login, here you can see an option of send. So here you can see recipient address and comment. So you need to go back and you need to open Bitget. So let me open. So skip this. Okay, so once you are in Bitget, here you can see different options. So here you can see different options. So here you find different options. So here you can see buy and sell. So I want to send USDT from Tonkeeper to Bitget. So on this account we are going to add, so about Bitget. So we need to go back and go to our assets and click on add funds. Okay, and click on P2P trading, agree that, confirm, and now we have options. So let's suppose this one. Okay, and we need to verify our identity, so we do that later on. So let's suppose from Bitget, so deposit crypto, and once you are here you simply need to select for the USDT. Okay, select it, and I complete the verification later, and here you can see that it is asked my identity. Once I verify my identity, I need to select the network, and after that I have the address, and let me show you. I have the address and comment, then I need to click on continue, and after that I can easily send USDT from Tonkeeper to Bitget. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.